Mihang'o ya guthuthuria maabithaa a borithi ikoretwo igitabanio kwa ihinda na kamiti ya kurugamirira borithi kuhitukira muikariri giti wayo Johnston Kavulundi ni iraniire ati kuri maabithaa a borithi a ruhonge rwa traffic mabutitwo wira.
Upon deliberation, the commission made a very bold, very decisive decision. The decision of the commission is that the 302 officers have been removed from the service for refusing to be vetted.
Maabithaa acio ni aria maregire gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti iyo na angi makirega gutwara maratathi ma bata maria mabataranagia uthuthuria-ini wao.
Our vetting regulations indicate that an officer who willfully fails, refuses, ignores to submit to vetting, that officer shall be removed from the service on account of failing the vetting.
Liu mufira wikiirio munene wa borithi niguo meherio ruhonge-ini rwa borithi na macokie indo iria mari nacio cia wira.
Letters removing them from the service have already been dispatched to the Inspector General to enable the Inspector General effect that removal. But as of now, they are removed from the service, and it will be expected that they will hand in all the material they're using, equipment, including arms that they may bear.
Ona kuri oguo, maabithaa acio mari na kihoto gia gucokia cira riko. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.